Hello.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Samhitasre.
Oh, Samhitasre, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine, thanks for asking.
You're welcome.
So, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is birds.
Okay, and which kind of birds do you like?
I like all the kinds of birds.
Okay, and what is your favorite bird?
Peacock, parrot,
Hmm?
pigeon, many.
Okay, then why do you like peacock?
It have beautiful feathers and it looks so beautiful. It have multiple colors and it
Mm-hmm.
also are a national bird.
Oh, okay. So, why do you like parrot?
Parrots are in greenish color. If they are sitting in a paddy field, they can't find where is the parrot and it have a red beak and red eyes. It also eat chilies, red chilies, green chilies, and it can talk like humans. It will be so nice to hear.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Have you heard any parrot talking like human?
No, I didn't see directly, but I saw in TVs.
Oh, alright. Mm. So, do you know any bird that can fly really high in the sky?
Eagle,
Eagle.
vulture,
Okay.
eagle, vulture,
Okay.
seagull.
Oh, what is seagull?
It's also often known as uh, sea crow.
Oh, alright. Mm.
It will be looks in white in color.
Do you know what does vulture likes to eat?
Mm, meat.
Meat. Okay. And how does vulture get it?
They will find where the food they want and it
Hmm.
hunt.
Oh, they hunt. Alright. What about eagle?
Eagle has the sharp eyesight,
Okay.
so they can easily find out their food.
Okay. Hmm. So, do you know any endangered bird?
Hmm. Endangered white peacock.
Oh, okay.
It's the most pe-
Okay.
endangered bird.
Okay. Did you ever see white peacock?
No,
Okay. At the zoo?
no.
Okay. Have you ever been to any zoo?
Yeah,
Okay, then which kind of birds did you see there?
parrot, pigeon, sparrow, peacock,
Mm-hmm.
ordinary peacock,
Mm-hmm.
and kiwi, ostrich, many.
Okay. Tell me something about ostrich.
Ostrich have the biggest egg.
Mm-hmm.
They have long legs for running here and there,
Mm-hmm.
and they can survive in fireplace also, like deserts.
Oh,
The
seriously?
deserts, the deserts will be so hot like fire, no? So
Mm-hmm.
it can survive that. It's also called fireplace now, the desert.
Yeah, yeah.
So they can survive.
All right. So, can it fly?
Mm, no,
Why do you think so?
because they didn't have any feathers.
Oh,
They have feathers, but they can't fly like
okay.
pigeons. Sorry, like penguins.
Oh, what is penguin?
Penguin is a bird.
Mhm.
It can walk like human beings, and it
Mhm.
live in Antarctica regions.
Mhm.
It looks so beautiful in the white snow.
Oh, all right.
They have black stripes.
Okay.
It's not called a black stripes, but they have a line with the black.
Okay. Yeah. Why do you think penguin cannot fly?
Because they didn't have feathers, but they can swim very well in the Antarctica region
Mhm.
water. It's so cool.
Oh, that's cool. Don't you think we should not count penguin as a bird?
Sorry?
Do you think we should not count penguin as a bird?
Mm, no,
Why?
because they're birds.
Mm,
They are
okay.
birds, but
Mhm.
they can't fly.
Mhm. All right. Then, uh, do you know any other bird that cannot fly?
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Okay. Can you tell me more things about kiwi?
Kiwi has the long nostril.
Mhm.
They can find out their food in the underground by using their nostrils. They are so
Mhm.
tiny, but they can find anywhere they have the food.
Oh,
They're
that's
so
cool.
intelligent with their nostrils.
Oh, that's cool. All right. Then, what do you know about pigeon?
Uh, Sorry,
Pigeon.
pigeon. Pigeon also a flying bird.
Mhm. Do you know some qualities of pigeon?
I think they can fly. There are two types of pigeons. One type
Mhm.
of pigeon is in the color of white, and another type is in the color of blue, gray, and white mixed color.
Oh, all right.
The white pigeon looks so beautiful.
Yeah, all right. And also,
You
it can be message sender.
sorry?
It can be message sender. We can write some message on a paper and we can hang on its neck and then it can fly and go there. It was a pet bird.
Yeah,
Yeah, in ancient time. Don't you know?
yeah. The kings are queen, princess. They will do like this to the next kingdom
Yeah,
to receive their messages.
yeah. Okay. Then do you know what is sorrow?
Sorry?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. It's a small, tiny, beautiful bird. They can
Mhm.
fly. They will eat the earthworms, and they will lay cute,
Mhm.
cute eggs.
Mhm.
It looks such beautiful.
Okay.
They will build their nest using sticks. So
Mhm.
many things
Mhm.
for their comfortable.
Okay. Do you think duck is a bird?
Yeah, but they are water birds.
Hmm? Can you
Like
tell me more about duck?
yeah, swan. These are all water birds. Now I'm going to tell about ducks. Ducks
Mhm.
are tiny little water birds. They
Mhm.
look so beautiful. They are also in the colors of white, gray, and many. The in the cartoons I saw the ducks are in yellow color. Is it true?
Yeah, I also saw.
But I didn't saw the nature color of duck.
Yeah, I also didn't see. Okay, no problem. Do you know what? Do you know some qualities of crow?
Yeah, crows are in black color.
Mm-hmm.
They eat both meat and wheat and grains, like they are omnivore.
Oh, all right.
If they have a if they have any food, they will call all the crows to share the food.
Oh, all
And
right.
and the crows are all the intelligent
Mm-hmm.
intelligent birds, because
Mm-hmm.
when the war is going on, all the crows will go for backward of the war, because the dead bodies will be there for the
Mm-hmm.
crows to eat.
Oh, understand now.
And we can't see directly the crow is dying.
Oh, why?
Uh, because they will live when they are dying. We can't see nature, because they will die by vehicles
Oh,
or by hunting, shooting, but they will not die naturally.
oh, all right. All right.
Did you saw crow is dying naturally?
No, I didn't see.
I will also didn't see.
Okay.
Uh, on one day, my mother told that we can't see uh,
Mm-hmm.
the nature dead of the
Mm-hmm.
crow, like that.
Oh, okay. And do you know what is owl?
Yeah, they are also intelligent birds.
Okay. Can you tell me more qualities of owl?
Yeah, will not sleep in the night time. They can see the objects very clearly in the night time. They will produce ultrasonic, I think, some sound to find where the others are there. They are very intelligent because they are producing this sound.
Oh, all
It is
right.
very it is very easy to find other birds, other owls. If they are in any trouble, they can see it easily.
Okay. And do you know what is flamingo?
Yeah, flamingo looks like look in the color of light pink.
Mm-hmm.
They have long legs.
Yeah.
I
And
think flamingos will look so beautiful.
yeah. And do you know what does flamingo likes to eat?
No. Do you know?
I think fish.
I don't know about it.
I also don't know much about it. You know what is crane?
Yeah,
Can you tell me something about it?
crane is also a water bird. It will be in the water. They will stand by taking one of their legs outside.
Mm-hmm.
They like to eat fish.
Mm-hmm.
They can see wherever the fish is there in the lake.
Oh, that's cool. So, do you know what is woodpecker?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker will. Woodpecker have the longest and the strongest beak to make a hole in the wood trunk.
Oh, okay.
One of the most strongest big bird is woodpecker.
Mhm.
They only have the most strongest
Mhm.
beak.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. Then, do you have any question for me?
Yeah.
Yes, ask.
Which question do you like?
What?
Sorry. Which bird do you like?
I like the most parrot
Why?
because I used to have a parrot at my home. We had fun together, and I used to give him food, and he was telling my name like that. That's why.
What is the name of the parrot that you are keeping as your pet?
Me too.
Pichu.
Me too.
Bichu.
Yeah.
It's nice name.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know something about cuckoo?
Yeah, cuckoo can sing very well.
Okay. Have you ever heard singing of cuckoo?
No, I didn't heard.
Okay.
Do you hear?
Yeah. Yeah, we heard.
If the sing of the cuckoo is be nice,
Yeah, very nice.
I
In the
didn't. I
morning, if we wake up at 5 a.m., we can listen cuckoo singing.
oh,
Yeah,
you will wake up in 5 o'clock, huh?
yeah. Most of the time I wake up.
Why
Okay,
are you wake upping in the? Why are you wake upping in 5 o'clock?
because I have to get ready. I have to do yoga. Then I have to go to my school. That's why.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Kids Academy.
Oh,
Yeah, I am a
are you
teacher.
studying in school?
No, I am a teacher.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I
So,
think you're a nice teacher in your school.
thank you. I'm trying. So, do you think cock and hens can fly?
Yeah,
Hmm?
they can fly little bit high.
Okay. Hmm. Tell me some helpful words.
Mm. Uh, the one of the helpful bird is hen, cock,
Okay.
and another. Yeah, only cock, hen.
All right. Then, if you had a chance to visit a zoo, which kind of birds would you like to see?
Peacock, parrots, and many endangered uh,
Okay.
birds. I love to see birds.
Okay. Do you know any problem that birds are facing?
Mm, yeah,
Yeah, tell me.
I think birds are facing the weather change,
Yeah.
and snakes will take the bird's egg and they will eat, so they will
Oh,
be very sad.
yeah. Okay. It was nice conversation with you. Shall we hang up?
Yeah, have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.